My name's Chris. This is Fondi Pizzeria in Gig Harbor, Washington. Many of you have been asking me a couple questions about baking at home, cooking at home. There's been some questions over the years from different people, and I wanted to take this time to kind of tell you how to stretch the dough. We've been enjoying, so many of you enjoying our food at home, and I just wanted to help share some of that with you. First things first, when you take the dough, you're gonna have a nice little dough ball that you picked up from us. You can keep it for about a day. It's best fresh on the day that you have it. But when you're using your dough, you just have a little bit of flour on top. Make sure your hands are floured a little bit too. And the simple point is right inside, you're going to start pressing down on the dough, and that's gonna help form the crust. It's really important that you don't press outside the crust, because you want to maintain all those fabulous air pockets and structure that's growing in your dough. Go ahead and flip it over and continue that one more time. And the easy thing for those of you who have done this or are learning is just press it down a little bit more. Maybe do that one more time. And as you can see, you have a really great crust. The challenge is making it the size that you want. And so for those of you who don't know, this is kind of what I call the bicycle spoke. You basically walk it across your hands. If you think it's gonna fall off your knuckles, you're doing it right. Okay? One hand rolls it and gravity does the work for you. And you are on your way. It's that simple. You get a little bit quicker and you start catching it on the back of your hands. Thumbs are never up, fingers are never up. Always keep it nice and flat right on your round knuckles. One thing you can do is you kind of walk it back and forth. In the Italian style, you would stretch it. And it would be a little bit of a toss. One thing that you might see is people throwing it back and forth. I don't recommend that with our dough. It gets a little too fragile for that. And the lovely thing about it, I wish you could smell this, but Sophia really does come through. You can smell the sour as it goes through. Sophia has been with us since 2004 in our test kitchens. It's what we affectionately call our sourdough starter, traditional for Neapolitan pizza. A nice little rotation on your pizzas, and you're ready to go. Our fresh house-made mozzarella. Lovely. A lot of your questions. I hope you're all doing well. But in the meantime, test kitchens are open. So good.